Basically the unboxing video of the cycle we ordered online through Sports Direct. It is a Muddyfox hybrid bike, which means it's a combination of a road bike and a mountain bike. The color is white. The frame type, as I said, was hybrid. Fork type is rigid. Speed is 21. It has gears and speed separate. Brake type is V brakes, and the wheel size is 700C. It took like 4 to 5 days to arrive. It usually takes like 30 minutes to assemble, but let's see how long it will take us. So now we're about to take out the components out of the box. The first component is the seat of the cycle, which comes attached with a rear light. Just put this here. Next one is the main frame of the cycle, and attached to this is the rear wheel as well, so this makes it easy to all take out. Left inside the box is the small parts which we need to assemble the cycle, the certificate and the manual. That's it from the box. We're going to use this toolkit to assemble the cycle. It's a very nice, compact and easy to use kit. So firstly, of course, we have to open up all the packaging with the use of a scissor. Just cut the sellotape. This is the manual on how to assemble your cycle and maintain it. The quick reference shows us the elements of the cycle, some general information. Now we have to follow the quick assembly guide. It says to take the cycle out of the box and remove packaging, which we have already done. Next is to attach the handlebars, which are attached to the cycle. So it tells us to go to page 6 and 7, which we will go to now. Finally assembled the cycle. It took around 25 to 30 minutes. The parts we had to attach ourselves were the handlebar, the seat and the front wheel, including also pedals. Other than that, this wheel was already attached, and so was the rest of the mechanism. Fill them up with the air, and hopefully it will be a good ride.